Said energy companies may be the most relieved by the return of more seasonable temperatures. Cold weather earlier this year in Texas, you may remember, led to massive blackouts when energy companies could not meet demand. California has also warned of rolling blackouts this summer because of high energy use. As WHO 13's Tosh Simmons reports, there was little threat of the lights or the AC going out in Iowa.
When the heat is on, many of us reach for air conditioning to make our space ice cold. However, Ames worried that the extreme temperature would push their city-owned power grid to the extreme.
Our historical peak was set in 2012, so we have a goal of not going beyond that peak.
Ames sent out peak alert warnings this week to try and avoid a record-breaking day. According to the city, it worked.
We didn't get as close as we were afraid that we might get to it. So that means for us that all of these messages were really effective.
Meanwhile, Mid-American Energy says it had ample supply for the demand, thanks in large part to its wind turbines.
On any given day, it fluctuates, but from an annual perspective, 83.6% wind energy.
Like all appliances, air conditioners break. That means repair technicians' phones are burning up with calls.
Hundreds a day, just hundreds and hundreds a day.
Golden Rule Heating and Cooling says some of its technicians can sometimes work 12-hour days to keep up with demand.
When we get to these temperatures, then our jobs are magnified because the demand gets magnified at this point, because any of those small issues are going to get magnified.
Iowa's infrastructure can stand up to the heat, but energy officials still hope you choose your appliances wisely.
All of you who avoided your laundry for a little bit longer or were able to procrastinate on washing the dishes, that did help us.
Tosh Simmons, WHO 13 News.
Ames Energy says going above peak demand would force the utility to buy more energy capacity at a higher cost, leading, of course, to higher energy bills for customers.